2024. We're looking at SPY, and today trading, is very good. Should be beautiful for both sides. You're either are bears or bulls. I would say you make profit for today trading. Look at a 1 minute and 2 minute chart. That's my favorite strategy, right? Usually 50 will cross above 200 moving average time frame on 1 minute and 2 minute time frame. So it happened on 1 minute and 2 minute. The probability for 1 minute and 2 minute, if it's a if the trend is uptrend, usually happens very often. Then downtrend, you have a better odds on the uptrend for 1 minute and 2 minute time frame. So for 1 minute, look at it. It gap down and then try to bounce back, right? As you can see, gap down and then try to bounce back because the 50 was below 200 moving average. Now try to have a retracement, have a correction. So 50 cross 200 in the morning, the finish. That's a great profit, right? 2 points. I would say you should be able to pick up 2 points or 1.5 points, even though you don't get 2 points. I think you can get 1.5 point for sure. So this is good. And 2 minute 2 minute cross about 200 moving average, 50 cross 200 moving average on 2 minute time frame. Also, that happened today. So perfect for both sides. But one thing it didn't happen was the 5-day moving average. It didn't test the 5-day moving average today. Okay, but 5-day cross about 50-day moving average. This is a bullish signal, still bullish, still strong. And look at another indicator for the candlestick bar. It's a 3-bar rule, right? 3-bar rule. That means this bar must be close below 3-bar ago, so it's still far away. That means there should be a few more days for the bull to run, either sideways or going up more. Double top is very possible. Okay, it's open. So watch out. And another pattern, we see it all the time. I think I should point out. Look at this one here. When we see tapering, like an upward channel like this, right? Like a winding upward, usually it will change trend. We're going to have a new trend, or either reversal or new trend. So this time a reversal, it gap down, right? For another one like this one today, it's perfect. So it's winding down slowly, like tapering. It's not doesn't fall. It doesn't want to fall. This is the signal for a new trend. It should have changed, probably reversal. This case, change trend, but the profit is not good. Probably, even if have a breakout this trend line, we got in about 516.5. It's only about 1 point at the most, so it's not, but it's better than nothing, right? Even 0.5 point is still good. If you have multiple contracts, 0.5 points are quite a lot, because this is the trend. We're gonna have a new trend for sure once we see tapering. This is obvious, and this one too is obvious. And there are a lot. There's a lot of example here. You can look at it yourself. Okay, let's look at tomorrow. Oh, and then another thing. I think I mentioned something like this. I did some research on the 5-minute chart. How many days will it be trading about 200 moving average on 5-minute chart? I did a program, and then it gives me a statistic. It says usually about 5 to 7 days, on average about 7 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days so far. Probably, corrections coming soon. It will probably last maybe 2 more days, 7 days. It could be longer. It just on average about 7 days. So you can look at it. So if you really want to go long, always buy low, sell high, right? When we reach too high, you don't want to buy it. So wait for next time. So okay, let's look at the other one. Look at day chart. Look at the support and resistance. Oh, look at 30-minute SPY. We have a top the trend line. Today almost hit there. It's a major resistance. This one. This is a major resistance, right? So hit there, and on this it got hit on what, on Tuesday, major resistance. Now came down. Now probably we'll try again tomorrow and Friday. What happened tomorrow? Well, big news. Tomorrow, Thursday, we have initial jobless claims in the morning. This is very important. It's going to move the market. So watch out. And look at the 30-minute again. Okay, still trade. It had a breakout on Tuesday above the top of the trend line, but it didn't hold, so it came back down below the top of the trend line. So what does it mean? Now it's a tapering. As you can tell, there's a tapering right here, right? Tapering, and this one tapering too. So, and also one more thing, head and shoulder. Can you see it? It's a head and shoulder here. It's pretty obvious. The neck line and head and shoulder. So if it breaks tomorrow, it might go all the way down, test either 5-day or 50-day moving average. 5 days is 516 now for tomorrow for sure. So for tomorrow, the 5-day moving average should be 516, and 50 days is 512. So 512 should be a major support. Even tomorrow falls, I don't think it will fall below 50-day moving average. This should be a major support right here. 5-day might be tested since it hasn't been tested for a few days already. So it might be tested tomorrow morning again. And then point 515 is another support. 515 to 21 is another support right here. So for tomorrow, so major support should be 50-day moving average. Make it simple. Okay, and for now, it's trading below this top of the trend line. So watch out. It's a little bit tapering. We have a head and shoulder. Okay, not sure if this is head and shoulder valid. Once break, we'll go all the way down. Okay, somewhere around here tomorrow. However, if data is good, probably will go back above top of the trend line again, or even higher, or could be double top right here. Look at daily chart, double top. It's still open since it's been 3 days above 50-day moving average. So that means it's building. People, traders are accumulating here above 50-day moving average. So don't be so bearish. Even you go short, you gotta be quick. Take your profit if possible. Okay, today for the 50 cross 200 happened for 1 minute and 2 minutes. Let's see tomorrow. It will come down. Okay, don't know how long. for the 50 will cross 200 tomorrow. Since this is a bull market, still on the bull trend. Okay, it might take a bit longer for 50 to cross 200 tomorrow. Either gap down, then the finish. That means the retracement is finished once it gap down. Then you have to look for a support. Okay, and also look at the Dow Jones. Look at Dow Jones here. Yeah, the 5-day moving average is already crossed above 50 moving average. That means, and also is, everything above 50-day moving average, and 5-day cross above 50-day moving average. This is a bullish sign. But however, if you look at 60-minute here on the right hand side, again, when you see a trend like this, kind of tapering, whatever you call it, channel, upward channel like this, you know it's gonna break. Okay, either up or down. So watch out. If it breaks below this trend line, you know what to do, right? So for the upside, you got to find out the resistance. So it's gonna have a new pattern again. Once we see a channel like this, slowly moving upward. Okay. Most likely, usually it should come down, but you never know. You could, have a new pattern to the upside. Like this, you see it? Usually break down and then have a retracement. Look at it. It's typical pattern. Okay. So tomorrow, again, wait for the initial jobless claims data. Good luck on your trading. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.